Fxalexg favorite reversal pattern. That's right, guys. If you've been following Fxalexg, you should already know his favorite reversal pattern, and it's the head and shoulders pattern. And I use a platform called Harmonic Pattern, and it literally will find me the head and shoulder patterns on these pairs or on the forex pairs. Now, before I dive into this, if you guys want to make it easy for yourself when it comes to making money in the forex market, I charge a one-time fee of $500 where you can be able to copy my same exact trades that I place on my account. Meaning, every time I place a trade on my account, those same trades will be copied over to your account, hands free automatically, and I only charge a one-time fee for you to link your account to my account. Okay, so if you're interested in that, I'm gonna leave a link to my Instagram account. Follow me on Instagram. Hit the bell button and also DM me and let me know, hey Andre, I want to copy your trades, okay? And I got you. I only charge a one-time fee of $500. So let's get into it. So I use a platform called Harmonic Pattern, and literally it will find me these head and shoulder patterns. Now I already know how to find these. Like once you been trading for a while, you can literally see these patterns on the market. But for beginners, this is something that you can use to help you find these head and shoulder patterns, which are powerful. Okay, and I'm going to show you some examples on show you some examples of how powerful these head and shoulder patterns are. And let's go ahead and go to the chart, by the way. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Last week I talked about a pair NZD, and I saw a head and shoulder pattern on the 1 hour chart. As you can see, let me get this out the way. As you can see, this was perfect. This was a perfect head and shoulder pattern. Okay, perfect. As you can see, the head and shoulders right here. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. And then soon as price broke the neckline, right? Broke the neckline, it just went down, all the way down. All right. And I don't know if you guys took this trade, but I literally called this out last week. And that's why I say, if you guys want to be able to copy my trades automatically over to your account, you can catch moves like this automatically without doing anything, without looking at the charts, without doing anything. Because I'm constantly on these charts. I'm constantly marking up my own charts, doing my own technical analysis, and I'm really putting in work on these charts, and I'm catching most of these moves. Okay, so this is just an example of how this worked. Now, if you go to harmonic pattern, right, you can see on USD JPY there was a head and shoulders pattern on this pair. As you can see, look at this. This is, guys, this will make it easy if you're a beginner trader and you're looking to like learn these patterns or trade these patterns, which is one of FXLXG's favorite patterns. Then harmonic pattern will literally help you find these patterns. Okay, now I'm not an affiliate of harmonic pattern, but you can go to harmonicpattern.com and subscribe. But yeah, this is USD JPY. There was a inverted head and shoulder pattern right here. As you see, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then boom. As soon as price broke that neckline, it shot all the way up to TP. All right, like the harmonic pattern even gives you the target to target as well. As you can see, the entry, the target, the stop loss, etc. Um, if we go back, there was another head and shoulders on USD Chef on the hour. Let's check this out. Look at this. Another inverted head and shoulder pattern, which shot all the way up. All right, even shot up way past the target. Okay, so you see how powerful harmonic pattern can be. Now, will these patterns win all the time? Of course not. And plus, you also have to do your own technical analysis. You have to do the market. When it comes to FX LXG strategy, you need to make sure the market structure is in your favor, and then you need to draw up your area of interest, and then you need to look for shift of structure on the lower time frame. You got to do those things, all right, and then add this as extra confluence. Okay, so that's first thing first. Make sure the market is going in your favor when it comes to market structure, and then make sure you draw up your area of interest, and then make sure you do the shift of structure, and then enter a trade on the bullish or bearish engulfing. Simple as that. Okay, and then once you have a head and shoulders on top of that, take the trade all day. Okay, so that's USD chef, and then NZD. Of course, remember I told you about this one. This was a perfect head and shoulder pattern. Like, look at this. Look at this. Perfect. Price was like messing around right here. Boom. This candle right here broke that neckline, pulled back, and this is where you could have got in at right here, and you could have brought it all the way down and caught all those pips. You see how perfect that is? This is harmonicpattern.com. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you can check it out. This is just an example, okay? Like, let me see. Not all of them is gonna win. Let me see. Let's see if we can find a losing one. Not all of them is gonna win. Like this one lost. There was a head and shoulder pattern here. This one lost. So like I said, that's why you got to do your own technical analysis and add this as extra confluence. Okay, make sure you draw up your market structure, draw up your area of interest. Make sure you wait for the 30-minute shift, and then wait for the bullish or bearish engulfing. Make sure you have those things in place before you just take any head and shoulder pattern. You gotta wait. You gotta make sure price is going in your favor. Okay, so that's that. Let's see if we can find another losing one. Yeah, that's the losing one. So yeah, so you got to make sure. So there's some losing ones, of course. You just got to make sure. But not all head and shoulder patterns is going to be a winning. But if you have your own confluence, you have your area of interest, your market structure is going in your favor, you wait for the 30-minute shift, and you wait for the engulfing, these head and shoulder extra confluence can most definitely put you, or have a better chance of winning your trade. Now, harmonic doesn't only has head and shoulder patterns. They have the bat pattern, cipher, shark, wedge, triple top, range, the alternating bat, the crab pattern, garlic. These are harmonic patterns. A double top, triple bottom, cup and handle, butterfly, deep crab. All of these are patterns. Okay, but the reason why I'm making this video is because the head and shoulder pattern is one of Fxalexg's favorite pattern, and I believe it's powerful when it comes to adding it as extra fluence to your confluence. Okay, so let's check out some other patterns. Okay, they have the wedge, we have the triple top, they have the range, we have the double top, the triple bottom, cup and handle, the triangle, the double bottom. Let's even add the bat pattern. All right, so there, boom. Now we have different types of pattern. Like CAD JPY has a triangle pattern. As you can see, there's a triangle pattern here. It automatically finds these patterns on these forex pairs. Okay. There's another triangle pattern on USD JPY. As you can see, boom, boom, boom. There's a triangle pattern on gold. As you can see, yeah, I mean, these patterns, like harmonic pattern, makes it a lot easier to find these patterns. Okay, the triple top Euro GBP has a triple top, as you can see here. That's a triple top pattern. GBP JPY has a triangle pattern or a wedge. GBP Chef has a wedge pattern, as you can see. USD has a wedge pattern, as you can see here. Let me see. Euro GBP has a double top. ICAD, this is a harmonic pattern. All right, this is definitely a harmonic pattern here. So boom, look at that harmonic. This is a bat pattern, by the way. So your entry was supposed to be up here in this range right here, and then boom, you would have hit target 1 and you would have hit target 2. Wedge. US 30 has a double top. Okay, as you can see here, look at this. This is wow. This is a good trade right here. If you trade US 30, look at this. This was a double top right here, and then boom, break it down, hit TP1, way past TP1. Now the harmonic pattern doesn't work too good. I believe on indices or equities, but look at this one here. You would have got in, somewhere up here, you would call all this move. This is a bat pattern right here. Okay. Now 100 has a wedge. Like it had already hit stop loss there on that one. SPN 500. Yep, stop loss. So yeah, so like every pattern that you see on harmonic pattern is not always gonna win. But like I said, if you do your own technical analysis, you look for the market structure, you look for your area of interest, you wait for the market, you wait for the 30-minute shift, and you wait for the an engulfing thing, and you add this on top of your technical analysis, like it gives you a higher chance of winning a trade. Okay. Um, I can go on and show you guys these patterns. Um, so let me see. This is I believe this is a bat pattern. Yeah, this is a bat pattern here. Yeah. So they're expecting for this bat pattern to come up to the upside to reach these targets. That hasn't really made that move yet, but that's something to look at. Um, Same thing for the silver. Same thing, a bat pattern. Um, Double top on GBP JPY. Um, a wedge on cat. Okay, I can go on and on and on and on and on, guys. This is just something extra that you can add to your confluence when it comes to doing your own technical analysis. Okay. Um, there's a double. What was this? A double bottom here, right? There's a lot of rejection in this area. And by the way, I am looking for GBP Chef to go to the upside. See, as you can see here. And guys, you don't need all this stuff. You don't need all this indicators like on your chart. It's just me, but you don't really need all this. Some people, focus on chart hygiene. Like, this is my own thing. You know what I'm saying? This is how I look at the chart. But guys, there's a lot of resistance right here in this area here. As you can see, rejection here, rejection here. Let me get my eclipse tool. I can actually show you a lot better. I think it's this one. No. Yeah, eclipse right here. So there's a rejection here. There's a rejection here. And then there's a rejection here. Alright. There's a rejection there. And then as you can see, there's another rejection happening right here in this area. As you can see. So as you can see, there's a lot of rejection off of this area of interest. Even over here, there's another rejection here. So this is a good area, guys. I don't know if Fxalexg is gonna call this pair, but as one of his trade ideas for the turn your $100 into $1 million challenge. But as you can see, there's a lot of rejection here. Look at all this. Look at all these rejections. I don't know if there's more. There's some rejections here as well. Yeah, there's some rejection right there as well. So yeah, as you can see, guys, there's a lot of rejection going on right here at my area of interest. As rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. I'm looking for buying position, but I'm waiting. Well, if you go to the 30-minute, let me get rid of this. You can to be honest with you, it kind of I could draw a Fibonacci retracement tool here. As you can see, price is rejecting the almost a 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. But I think I drew this on the daily too as well. If I go to the daily, here. As you can see here, it's rejecting the 88.6. This is a daily rejection candle right here. As you get this candle right here, a daily. We have two daily rejection candles here, and you also have a doji right here as well. That's another um, reversal pattern as well. If you see a doji, that means the trend is slowly changing here. All right, and you've seen a daily rejection candle, two a doji, a daily rejection candle off of the area of interest. Plus, price is at my area of interest. Plus, the price is rejecting my 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Plus, if we go back to harmonic pattern here, we have a double bottom here. Even a this could be even a triple bottom. This could be even a triple bottom right here. So I'm just getting extra. This, helps me get extra confluence on top of my technical analysis when it comes to trading. Um, but yeah, I mean, it's not, you don't need it, but if you want extra confirmation, extra confluence, like I do, this can also help you spot out different types of pattern without you having to search for them. Now, like I said, what I'm looking for a bullish engulfing above these two candles. If we can get a bullish engulfing above these two candles, or even right here, we can probably look for a buying position. But I would want to wait for maybe a little bit another pullback. Maybe I'm thinking that price could come back down and tap this zone again, and then get another 30-minute shift or bullish engulfing. Then I can take that trade. But this GBP chef is looking for setting up for a buy, or really, in my eyes, I'm looking for price to come all the way up here. Let me see if I can do this. Like, I'm looking for something like this to happen here. And take it up there, like maybe 2 to 5 right there. And by the way, when it comes to Fxalexg favorite risk to reward, he likes to go for 2.5. Okay, 2.5 is up here, but I might go anywhere from here, this level here, or even bring my what's the name up a little bit. Let's see, yeah. So yeah, so something like that. I mean, I know you guys can't see this a lot, but this is something. This is kind of what I'm looking for. Maybe you can even bring this up a little bit. Boom, boom. So yeah, maybe go for 2.5 right there. And as you can see, guys, this is kind of the TP is right at the area of interest right here. So I would be careful, once price get up in this range, if it goes up, like I will probably will look to take some profits off, or close out of the trade, because price, you never know, price can come in reverse from this level. So but guys, I'm just trying to give you guys as much value as possible when it comes to Fxalexg turning $100 into $1,000,000. So I'm going to be also giving you pairs that trade ideas and pairs that I'm looking at, and then I'm also go over the pairs and trade ideas that Fxalexg is also providing, and just give you guys some extra confluence. And then like I said, if you go to Harmonic Pattern, if you subscribe to Harmonic Pattern, which I'm not an affiliate of, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below, you can literally add this as extra confluence on top of your technical analysis. So with that being said, I hope you guys got value. If you did get value, make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Also hit that bell button. That way that way you get that way you don't miss any videos that I upload here on YouTube. But also check me out on Instagram as well. I show my results mostly on Instagram, especially my stories. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and hit that bell button. That way you don't miss any posts that I upload to Instagram. So again, I'm gonna leave you with this. If you guys want to be able to copy my same exact trades automatically over to your account, hands free, I only charge a one-time fee of $500. I mean, every time I place a trade on my account, those same trades will be copied over to your account, hands free. If you're interested in that, reach out to me on Instagram. So with that being said, I'm Andre Catnut here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I will see you guys on the internet. Take care, y'all.